We are replacing the stock halogen headlights in this 2012 Honda CR-V with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. Access to the headlight bulbs is located under the hood. We are loosening the fuse box in order to easily access the bulbs for this video. You will most likely not have to do this step in order to access the bulbs, but we are going to show you how just in case. You will need to unlatch these 3 clips and then just give it a little wiggle to get it free. Here is the driver's side bulb. Start by unplugging the wire connector. Next, you'll need to peel off the dust cover. Now you can unhook the metal spring keeping the bulb in place. And pull the bulb straight out of the housing. If we compare the stock halogen with the new LED bulb, you will see the similar design. The base is the same. The halogen filament and LED chips are located in the same place, designed and manufactured for optimal light performance. And the plug is the exact match to plug right into the car's existing wire connector. If we try to install the new LED bulb as is, you will notice the spring won't fit over the cooling fan. This is an easy fix. Not only is this Ayla Lighting LED bulb totally adjustable for the perfect beam angle, the base is completely removable by just pulling it apart. Now you can install the base first. Technician tip: it's easiest to install the base by just holding it on the end of your finger. Line up the locking tabs. Pull your finger out and reattach the spring. You can now insert the bulb through the hole in the dust cover. And then install the bulb by pushing it back into the bulb's base you've already installed. Secure the dust cover on all sides and be sure the bulb is pushed all the way in. Simply plug the wire connector from the LED back into your car's wire connector. And you're done with one side. Here is a side-by-side comparison with one side stock halogen, the other Ayla Lighting LED. The installation on the passenger side will be the same. The only difference, there's a little bit more room to work. 1. Unplug the wire connector. 2. Peel off the dust cover. 3. Unhook the spring and remove the old bulb. 4. Install the base first. 5. Insert the bulb through the dust cover. 6. Install the bulb and dust cover together. 7. Plug in the wire connector. Here is the 2012 Honda CR-V with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.